Some walk about more transit by Costa Television. Mara and Go TV do the or your channel 50 St. Edward. The St. Augustine one get the guitar box in the or channel 22. If you're not on Facebook or live, YouTube so or live. Inside pay it was na like na share. Comment in the but more than full location one amount. Na maso muntwuntum kama da ma obibia ewobiano na ende akaye fidedi ebusia ende yala ya penentamba sa na ende so ya mina adumaga ya be yewobi yedemo nti yebezi nkomo yebokom de shebogom mu yifida ne da be shebogom wokọ asetena na when some shadow moti biara no ye bokọ akohwe minority won some worker majority won some worker ni na rafa oya nurse fo on striker wokọ ma ananansa se baka ya osiafa mbeshibogoi honorable ayu oba na nche wo pamanan anada wokoso do ete ye bokọ mbeshibogoni akohwe da okrodo nda kaye fidiyade moti biara be fie ibidi ifie nkomo na yeboko birwa vocational technical institute na yakosho student ifie pol edunu a wo school no what the come back oye ko de yakosho da okrodo ho yefuwa ya befie yebeti nkomo kra na bi ho ansana yakode obaka time na pod da abogwado ende fide no yetitenyin kakakra na yede abro no wia na echi ekwan na egbo ya amahin na yede ama Omar bin Abdullah na watena se no de nkomotwetwi biara aka no so odi abochod anepei from Kitikeku asoreba Kofi Esuman afiyense nsamna se ebe sebogom adan onechi aba wona setena da obohwe ma eshishe biala o wona kolum na o hwede na udedo wode bom man Ghana no punto na kanko okodo no wegina enti beyende basen wokọ asetena no na wo hwe nurse fo no strike no do ye aba hihye na banda do na obesen kwan on wona ye ya wendi no behyedo ma mpempenya akabande aban foforo abai na woda homa asa aban no kwan na wo twene tan won twene tan pa ni ya nsupo ne che wode strike abadumin da men sam na kupem na shebogom wudu abobo ma edom kuma no wo ye ne de aban ko aban ba nta aban aba omochedo edom kase wo meshebogom so wo ye da men hihye no abanda da na obesen kwan no won ye na onye hihye nchoda abanda do no ogitum na onye anezefo ye nyame hihye no tedam na akaya mhye otedam abedinti ne ntuwa na mo ne ndu ndwan fanye ne je ma to wode aban fofo loban onu ombedi wuduma asemi akaye bobo wo mbeshebogom akaye deja ma na etre majority no mun nsam na de ebusua nyakọ mbeshebogom ne nkohwa ne da okrodo wo mbeshebogom.
Official publication has been defined. A court leader, a court process
leader. Honorable Minister.
What the minister did was to object to the question. Mr. Speaker, the order 80, the order 6,
Honorable leader.
Mr. Speaker, they must be tolerant. We've heard them. Mr. Speaker, he's argued twice. This is my second. Allow me. Mr. Speaker, Eche has argued twice on the matter. Please. When I finish and you rule, fine, let it go into answer. But hear me respectfully. And they must be tolerant. Mr. Speaker, you've had your time at the dispatch board. Mr. Speaker, official publication has been defined. This is what it says. Official publication includes any publication produced by or under the authority or with the sanction of
Minister.
Mr. Speaker.
No. Minister. No, Minister, please. No. Minister, the leader has at least 5 opportunity to ask supplementary questions. That is what.
You see,
leader, Minister, please.
You see.
Honorable Minister, please be tolerant a bit for us, please. I beg of you. Yes, Honorable
Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Minister.
Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Leader.
Mr. Speaker, we've all seen what has just happened. Mr. Speaker, or the 6 that they relied on.
Minister, Honorable Leader.
Speaker, official publication has been defined. A court process.
Leader, Honorable Minister, you can't do that, please. Honorable Minister, you can't do that. Honorable Minister. No, Honorable, you have no right. Honorable Minister, I have no right to say you can't ask him to, please. Honorable Minister. Yes, he's going to ask question. Honorable Minister. Honorable Minister thinks he's still a leader. Minister. Honorable Minister.
Mr. Speaker.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, let's
take it cool. Let's
bring the tempo down. Mr. Speaker, let's bring the tempo down.
Yes.
My colleague, minority leader, I think that if we can just ask questions,
yes,
so that, because the Minister for Agriculture is also here, and we have statements to take. And indeed, at conclave, you requested for a couple of statements to be admitted, and they were admitted. And officially, we have just about 30 more minutes, because if we start sitting at 2, yes, and we must sit for 5 hours, we are supposed to end at 7. And so if you have all these questions that you have asked, and then you also have statements that should be admitted, I plead with you that you should just ask the rest of the supplementary questions so that we can move on to the next minister. This is a plea. So please, I'm pleading with you. No. Please, let's keep to the rules. Let's keep to the rules. Let's stick to the rules, Mr. Speaker, please.
Well. Honorable Minister, I beg of you. Please. No. Honorable Leader, please. Honorable Leader, you may ask your question, please. Well. Honorable members, we will bring a question directed to Honorable Interior Minister to a close.
What we call official publication, has it been defined by any enactment?
Honorable Leader.
And I say yes, Mr. Speaker, it has. And therefore, a court process that has been filed by a private citizen. Official publication include gazetting of documents. If you have your private document, however notorious that document may be known to the public, if it has not entered the gazette, it does not become an official publication. So for the minister to say that,
Honorable Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I will yield to your ruling.
Yes.
I've answered 3 important questions.
Eti ebusia yasam na nkomotwetwe no oye suafa ohwe yene bambon samodo na okrombe bugo na so do kotugwan na oda ubisabisa ho nsam ono no ho pente na okrodo wo oye mbrehye bugom no yasawade yentumi amfa oye minority mona nurse for na strike nsam no yentumi ne amfa mra ho no yasama wo fa nche na yembe fie ana yembe fifi mantoma na yemedze nkomo yenko Birwa Vocational Technical Institute sukuli obobade akere papa na beye mfi eduna abasenu ko numu mbabi a yamena demala wode wona adesua kashishado wo oye Birwa Vocational Institute da membri numpo na onye Birwa Technical no oye Birwa Rehabilitation na ende sukulu ne page mama we begina oye Technical Institute enti enyanum na da mfi edonu bi abasenu ko wode wona adesua kashishado no we twa no ma akosukulu no de if you don't have a na nchahin so ya adisuafo yamena doma suku na tete me yebudum pempeda yedua ode yibuye kompo na yekwakwohwe da okodo eyinti ba woro ko wanfo wonsapan wode office ngwa obotum atrado na achechefo wa hwe na wodaye ejuma wo oye suku no mu na wokede na edi wode che suku no mu pefre wonje na onfambo ma ndama onkodo na bra wode ndama na kama wono Coastal Television yanye enyanoma dada member no wedi oye mfi idonu nechi no yanye ogbo nkomo abenta kura no sesiare mpempe yekese oye engineer papa na nkasa wegbe na ejuma na ori ejuma terem nnata nyame ehira won wabra wode nwumesua wode kupe mu oye Birwa Technical Institute no yankopan ayo na adom na nsa no juma nkusua no wanfa mbabor nyame su ehira won na nsama wokan ne bin
Yenyem siama no se no kan obi ne ba for technical na vocation pa ye say wabon post school wentwa but enne awofo ne bi atiase say the technicality no na epush country no man bia be ya from insano juma mama na ye pay China Japan ne ade a insano juma no mbi adwuma timo fa no obi amfa na this serious the school a buy no why don't you feel proud me na America kan and no na e hyase ma me a me dey do bia madu because my nya foundation o han man ka me come anim to the polytechnic the university in Cameroon enti e be catch student dey say omom bra bonten they should feel proud of whatever they are doing and whatever school that they went them say you say buying na this one do so pa nyom wani anom pia some mabi nka ho na technical education and course yam ma e be dum eni kwase kofa China fo no be road mai so eni kwase kofa China fo no de jom be sie na mai de bitima ye sabano engineers I don't see why maybe school SM control application copy adwuma enti me wie school ade am be sua wa na SM me de ko abontin ko ye adwuma me set up nyanka some business kakra nka man na yem bebe enti parents no they make catch am say omon koso mo ma no enko school no mo ntompo say enu ene be develop e country be develop a engineering technical and I for no more dey
kan no aha na ye nya ye ntiti free ye ko ye school ahyase no after JSS aha na be start ene se me gina ha na bitumi ye dwuma bia e foundation na me benya no aha no ena metumi e de edu ba bia me de nti se omo boy na yetumi edu anim a eni kwase ye da ye chima school ni se school no enkoso na enye de etie no ye kakra o e benya bia no o se ye de bebo school na school ni tumi free ba bia o we ko nti eno ho ena ye kan ho bo ma atumi be ye ni ohun ye mem ka kire wona wa from wa ha school e bebo ase no 50 years ni bebre ye wona wa ya defo wo do anim nti so betumi aka won ho abom na wa boa school ya said the nkofo aye won school ahodo no yeso en de ne betumi agina na aye fe so obi biara wa fa bewa ha no akọ nanim no omra mehwe na nchi na omo school de esi ani se animanim ya ade bia school ni hia no eye animanim ya de ye no e betumi aye de abo school no afi da chin so ye hwese betumi esi big hall ɛde ama school na school nso etumi akɔ n'anim saa kwan so.
It's vice principal order suku na no ma military da akofa na so ochirem oda semom wandama enuanom de be na oda se wie no sem da se bi su bra bio suku ni sesere adekro nya won papa wona asase ni na akeda nkofrofom nto do wunya fence wall onu sifu a ndama nketinketi bi wa odo suku ni nya ma military da akofa nsamo kan bi
additional classrooms, dormitories, staff bungalows, and then a bigger dining facility. And you're saying here overhead bridge. Which school now see and I see the school for the day so much could be almost cross it to the central campus where the dining hall is. It's a overhead bridge, a bebwa, and a school and so you baby and your fence. It's a baby fence wall. Yeah, good now, yes, rest on the common on by a bar. Send a school name progress on behalf of the government board. Yes, Russell, will be our baby one here to have a short courses so have a full time or dog Emma Beat Technical Institute, any TVET. Yes, Mr. December, your 50th anniversary celebration. Year lunch in Libya, a man was swati. Date the Bibia, Senator Mobile near Cabo, my eye,
Okrodo wo oye Biruwa Technical Institute abra enuanoma wode wonadesua kupe mu wo ho ana ukasa asere wusua de mfipopo ebenu nechire no 2005 wusua de wie mana yemai hunadom na wono so wenya kakra odo woda wenyechi na amamata wokona okohwe okayambua wodo school wakache school nungwa wankwaso kwa nyengwa so kwa wonyi enuanoma adesuafo no ekiti nkomo na wahye wonkura nde demba honde we engineers ibinim ye caterers ibinim chere wa hono wo pegin we budum pepedi hono mafamo so a wo no so wo bo won motena obudu bebi a wono so no wedun nti yabada oye Biruwa Technical Institute enuanum metre 205 ye group ring na beda homa so no mara wetu na ono na ne pay coastal station yenso ye gina na ye de ana center focus ye bi se wode ana ama mata wode ono eye ne dat asabi sanyin usande inde eko secondary school ahoro technical institute ahoro ni na ra obia entity onye no giving back to the community ana to the school no where na wadereboa ntebuso waso ye wafamede ye wafamede a obobo papa kakra na enya no wankote man hwe woni ndi pana ho kakra ba puti ho na fokwe se wonyi bi mpa enye nuanom na kakai wonua no classmate fo no wonkambom na bibi keteketa obenya no mfa nkoboa sukula otete ho ma wedum pempeda wedi ono so oye papa na oboboa so nende ekosuku sakasa nyinara oye o student na woreboa na wo page school ma orokwankan enti anupe center for course science yene da yedire oye bi so yende ana wa mama to ya be school na worokwa ekobi enkobi zande ayo ho de ebu ho de afa ho de esusu ho de ekel eduwe kijem pempedu bi de awonyi bi nti worokwa no nkobi papa mama sister brother teniye onye menyi bi asam na omfa eyimfa nye nkranhye bi nto wonyim de damo all student no bu ekwane pi odoto dema enuanom no wabra wehiem nti no kwaro wo menyin obu ekwane pi osande se nyame ye wadoma ye behie de ya desuafo na ye wie school na yakono owo manyame ne hyehyɛ dema bia na assembly oti mumbo school ni den Momo school ni den asemi osi wokọ oye o student meeting na wokehie no wodi nkomo na enuanom bibi said na the most musia na be meeting ye hun no obi said na dem pakona rota sa na yenyim no contact no so last time be na nche Facebook or say YouTube or say TikTok be no hun na wo shas there wo search wo oye Facebook no chenala wo kwa na wo to the Facebook kompo no che de manala o ko Facebook be 2 years o che si sample news oye smartphone no wa ko Facebook no nti wo search ya no munya no contact ebusia wo fra contact na odem papai wo fra na when anything koma na wo pe wo de won wedi din komo na ebusia mo bi si ayin de o de wo hwe papa no na o kire enyije abefie ebusia wo to nsafra papa no mo ba ya enua na to nsafra na enua ne me bat wo ko na o kire papa no asetena wo mu no na onye no kweri na asetena mu ye zen papa na abrabo no wo wi school no ono ye me ye na do onye skanta na ne sikani mu no ni na so na edwuma na wo mu no na bukata nti oban de nhwehwemi ba no na odo wi ne ti mo obefie nti ne japadi na abande nsato japadi no do na onno na nuanom no wo sonu mu wani di nkomo wo kanufoe na wo sha ase de wanye edwuma na owo mu no wani di nkitan wo hwe kwana wo fada wo yi na edi ebusua dembe kan o student association wona mbadene bayin uta na mo ye hwehwem ma oba ya inde mfebie ni ntem no no mu da papa no edwuma na no wom na kwana wo fodo wudi na edi no no ye kwana papa wo fodo wudi na edi nti mo oba ya anye de ode ne nuanom na ne classmate fo no ode wugina nechi na wo hwe na ye lucky na student ko o ye lawyer wom nti no so bi gira papa nechi wo twen na oda papa no weti nkunyem osande oye na edwuma de oye panyini wo oye edwuma num nti na ne di ye kwanje na mo edwuma no na fa baby na ma okabanda ma obende we yi papa na di na osusu na ono nsem na ade no fa nhwehwem ya abedi na oda papa na je pade na aban anada je pade wo nsatu nyara do wasan wagini na papa no na wasan ewie no wasan utie sika compensation wode ma papa no wakwana wode no fado ebusua all student association wone mbadene bo ne fa baby na mbada atoem nti papa no na nyaji nti nde se school ni hia ono okọ na ode yemfanton de ma afofo de obiara oewo ne meti bia no won sha se hwehwam na wewu ne di wewu on de wonfa na nkan na mu nyo atase ne de odo wo hwehwan na woni di nkomo nti ebusua anepei ye begina biruwa technical institute o student ye group or ye 205 ye group wona no ma wetu do na henso ye de de nkomo ya to nyi mebi se wo de o classmate fa hen na efra hon ye group no wo WhatsApp group ho ana wo Facebook group wo yes wo Facebook group wo wa aye wudze nkomo WhatsApp group wo wudze nkomo not that we share mumpo we share mun na ahen group no work dze nkomo na ahen e wo hwanye mo nyefe na onno na o kire do onno na seyi mu bi o ho na atete a yetum yeboa na ye ne che ne ho na atete o nti ndey se anya bi da bo modern na ebi ahu we group no wonye WhatsApp group a bo modern mo wonye WhatsApp group na won sha se wunu nkomo na mfa mbobo ho no na wo wi a kaka contribution kaka obaya na eja ama mata we hwim akobu school na otete ho we budu pempeda we di nzebusia ma migira de na manda mo mla yaba de ubakati abakansa na pod no so adope yetitenyi na da mo komre sisia
Hello, this is the Cell Gift Shop. We deal in handbags, ladies' bags, we deal in perfumes, and this is one of the bags I have, tote bag. This is from the US. It's very affordable, leather quality. We also have different perfumes, ladies and for men. They come in different brands and also very affordable. We also have Victoria's Secret, original Victoria's Secret from the US. We have affordable gifts already made for various occasions, for Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday, anything you want to, any gift you want to do. We have GTP cloth as well for all occasions. When you come to the Cell shop, we also have lunch bags, school bags for kids of all ages. We also have this beautiful customized birthday shirts for children. So when you want some, it's available. We have different tops, cartoon characters for children also. We also have men's underwears, this Harrison singlet as well, and then we have boxer shorts, different types, different sizes, and in different companies. It's a nice cute bag for kids, for church. They can take it to parties and all. It's all available at the sales shop. So when it comes to catering, we have these shafting dishes and then this dispenser for rentals. We take food orders for different occasions, weddings, engagements, birthday parties. So we have these also for rentals and then take food orders as well. We have these engagement boxes for sale. We also take orders. We do engagement wrappings. We can do it for you. It's available at the Cell Gift Shop. So when you come to the Cell Gift Shop, this is not all we do. We do wedding decos, card decos. We have hampers. We make hampers. We take food orders. We do drinks, sobolo, watermelon juice. Anything you want, we will be able to do it for you. We can help you plan your wedding, plan your engagement, how to make the design. We will do everything for you. The Cell Gift Shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
Kwaba mo atena se mba Coastal Television do digital no 514 anapei mfa ndase mfa ma dodo a wo hwen wo oye mankesim wo hwen mankesim na oye short pond ye do mase papa mona wo hwen fi oye asinfusu anapei wonso ye do wase ye be Cape Coast hada we say that must pop the button our CCTV yeah there was papa the mother na better spot also CCTV yeah there must say UCC for wash him so yeah there must papa e bu say say I won for location one kaka na yeah so yan kamununtum with location one say be kamunatum yeah there must say the mother na our Facebook Pax Boniface waso yede wase na Jobless Edu also yede wase papa ewusafo we na no aseda sonko onkwamo na ebusia de bokati abakansa anepe yebetitenyi kakakra na yede asomon na anepe yamfa oye Metro Lens de bokati ne fanshase na Metro Lens de bokati no odiga na omampa ni mfanyin na odi atowo na President Mahama na wa pardon oye 64 radio station na what's a minority na wa questions oye sincerity na ebusia ye sede ebra samaba na Ghana mampanyin wa pardon oye 64 radio station ebusia na ye de Ghana Media Commission wakototo oye the 64 radio station in yarum wakototo na wotum no ibi aka wuntumi wuntumi radio ibi so aka oye asase na dam radio station akase ni na no aye be oye MPP amanyoku no nimu mbebinu mu hone dza nti akaba na de ibirimu susu de jama abane dina nwesi oye MPP amanyoku no na wasada na oletete ho na bra ntumi no be no osase adwoda obesini adwoda bede wukude na washa watoto the station nim na ekura ba ye de asase radio no na wudi wone mfia otodo enu 5 years na wudiri memenden kusida adwoda na petu na padlock da station nim kokoro na ona na impempe yebudu ya omampe ne ze kate epu abo na ono bofu so kwachi na nsese de makate na ase ode ba botu gbodo debi omampe ne de obasre swafa ohwe oye damde ubo ne fa oko oye radio no TV do no meche honorable Sam George nyo ono no gira tum no do na okototo radio station nim nti da omampe kate no de ba nyi de osan nara impempe ni nyiminya wonkono nkubugbe na nhihye a owoda wutua woni sika no ana nhihye oda wo yenwon ye no da me nhihye won telefon na won yenwon ye eyi ena wa ma and pay metro lens ode omampe ni fe na atoa se wo bo omampe na bado ana da mbese bogum edonkuma no wo kasa ho no ono na metro lens and pay ode Ghana omampe ni fe ode abotugwa no KGL na MLA wono contract awosane no wada abotugwa de or the best contract since 1958 na so oyo so mu ebusia de oboka temetro lens ana no ode abotugwa na wachirim NDC Fosina Dare na maame no wa kama eja wode no 1 week awobedi wo oye Kumasi oye esreso nti numfanyin na wadi aboton nti ebusia ochina na obedi dam 1 week otere numfanyin na wadi abotugwa no nasefo wona eyi na wo chirim doctor yo afriye na no so o chirim de sa nasefo wo yo be ye ya nhyehye na ntete no wakan dadaw nti nche wombra na omatrefom na wonfa do ho bia no wonfa ntogwa no wonhwe de yeye babama nyina no won ato na new trust de oboka te no ebusia ode nsem bi da aba BUC nsosha wokọchira we ma teenage okọ na okwa we no mfeyi no wansada amfa abofo n'enyim nemom wode na maame na abofo na ni chikakaba na wode aba ochirim BUC okọcho no wakọwo ho wakọwo ho tidoboka ate no ma no so ode abayin na minority wokrai ma wukishim wo oye numun samno do boka ate the new trust da aba nemom odo wa Sam George no fanyin odo aboto soro wo mo chemi de abana man edefua edesa 30 days na de ishishebela odo oye no odo ye nyeda watum na de watu de bi umma hunkwan na onye da mehihye da man onna wo de Sam George no fayin odo ato soro ho no na owa koka eno no osi MPP amanyoku sesiare ebira san o de oye decent campaign na anwankasa so wumbu wono ho no munjai sabeta feche kasefi na kasa owudu gunyipere mase no munjai no mboa MPP amanyoku no osande pata ewo abanum na ewo majority pa no mpempem afi majan etura wom 88 mbese bogom for the ojema de wode kasa papa wode bokọ wona campaign opei na okana mase no fin na oda aboton na ayi wa free no osi game on strike no we are making progress na ta no won hyehyai orokodo dam ayi wa free ono na okọ meshibogoma obende wo saaka na ma mokọ manonsam oye pin oni no erusia yakodo baka atafoforo na Sefi News odi aba papa Sefi News ana no odi aba there Western North regional minister no feyin no de benkom no den osi de yenhwe ye wo oye amamboafo no ho amamboafo no ba fro akara edam boshan no afodo bun na kire ndama asekura ena oye Bia West MP so no so other to oye business community him there city appreciation no umenye nyina yefo yen wonjem na entetel namado na city no bebi awedu ne de ogire ogima obia de odunu beshem oya odobi awura number 1 odikro na sesiare wa support BEC candidate da madendo ye papa ye papa nani na nakofebu waye mo efe da madesha wo kakuna no kwado nti na Sefi News odaba oye adobowura adobewura number 1 odikro no so waye dem bi da bo BEC efo oye fedodo papa wa kire ni so wa kire do the new center the Oboka Tenede the Feno Adaban Eku Ebi Basa Ecobank Ghana Post 2.4 billion sika wenyanyen enyeje sam na wepem Grima one National Council na we decide the strike no we be we the penny and now one fan be we no so asama the new center or the babade 24-hour economy also drive 24-hour economy with digital integrity. Majes CEO ena odi atuga oti da bono. Damara ena oya Republic Bank no wonsu we out till wait in cities no ndama itum akwado ma ownership oba clear. Na owura Sam George no feyina o hye mfimfini wono o se abana mandofuo dasa da onyi radio stations watu tumenu oyunya hyehyai na bibiala nkoda kondo pepepe mama onkafa asembera on farm ba ebuso delegates the also 22 boosted na in oye 500 million Ghana cedi NSS ghost names fraud. Hey, National Service secretariat the why dey nti ono okabanda 500 million National Service ghost names no. Hey, you international wasam na odi abotowen what the government defend or sacking of 18 generals no so na other one what the ifeyin ebogwo aketesia mechre National Service secretariat in Canon si wonu feyin na other ho na nsuru feyin other na kwame A+ nsuru feyin kan na ebusia in story ni bi kana na ebun so kan so nkan na ebun Aminu Amidu yeah na no so what punches or yeah special prosecutor again abana sam na Martin Amidu no so or catch special prosecutor amam pain na no so or the back taxa or 64 radio stations and what to no amam pain letter watch that my shafa or share communication there tampana or you want to say na on shaman na manko yema on kafa nchi woshu biara on farm na wodo man pain fein what the aboto no na o pain na fein there also stop using fake doctor title nti oye owura tanko computer na no so odi atugwa no kofu pi odi da wondo doctor na so fake nti fake doctor da na no oda eyi na edifi wodo ebusia daily searchlight the worker ten so or the oil lawless Babin Trenton MPs nti mbeshebogo yi chiami oye speaker of parliament no papa no wase sesiale odembel be yeduma na MPs na woko mbeshebogo ma wem wopɛ no odembel be yeduma na nhyehyɛ mapa etum na akodo Sam George ina we descend on speech na ta chere sesiale wabe speechless oza animono tinu amampen zekatai atunechi osenara oyi ni beso sampare naso osen onyishishai ya shishai oyun katkona wo fadu wuti ayi anakona wo fadu munya license no ba ndo wunchu wunsika no odo wo hwe na wotuama mfeyinu no so odi aba abotogwan oniyinu na ebusua the chronicle the Bokate no also or the nsama abano oyefie papa so far ohye oye apomedendo wa minta akando no so no fanyin na order so one nurses demanded oye 588 million funeral allowance from government na asem minta akando on order kan also there funeral allowance na adinje biara se nesi ebusia nota nsese ya abanda no oyina se fohye no so obeya nchaban fufuri nkonketrefo no wan ya hye no fufuri nti wa ma nsam no numu ayedin da ma ban wona sefo wona hye na waye na mpempem yale wo striker sesiale striker no na sefo binum de mfoshe nyi ho binum sulo ohia binum sulo oye de wa strike ni na no oyen hyehyɛ ya wonye abandado no wonye ye na ono na suafo bi se de nurses demanded 588 million funeral allowance na funeral allowance no ayabo funeral allowance akere wonye ya ebi anam ame anane papa wa de musika wa de man ndo no welfare asem de men de no welfare asem onya ban ano contribution nti wi ana ya tamedamo na odi yi na so oba nde funeral allowance so yin funeral allowance prakon ono suafo na na ole pabe on the chronicle Bokate no odi abotugwa KGL na oye NLA wono contract no so also the best since 1958 nti no so na the Bokate the chronicle odi abotugwa the chronicle odi papa no mfanyin da aboto papa edutwum educational exploits na no so odi ni certificate okite ni sem de gwa odi aboto no papa waka the award na award no wo Los Angeles ena no so na award okaje no odi chede ampa sebo ta frecha dusuko no ankwano kwa so waka wo musua da wo edutwum wa mi ye papa ono no fei na the chronicle odi aboto nanyim wo man pay meba bemen na daily guide the Bokate no so ebusua odi owura oye edutwum no feyin oda aboto North US na where is edutwum for education excellence not papa no na aboso bada okaje no osafata da odi da maboso bada no wode man na no kwani ayefia dodo ayefia papa no yenyuso oyenyuso owie peye na oyenkranhye de mahena yesidu de yenhwe papa no nusu na naban na hobrasa owo na mwatin ba wa bo wo mesu no mu no inde se nje sabochi wa bo na bada na osafata nte de papa Coastal Television Center Focus and pay daily guide boda botugwe yensu ye gina do na ya bo wa bado mbo abefia hada ebeda wase ya besra wo de yi na oman Ghana mpemfa wakaka ho ndam no se wonya upegwa na won kane ni hodama na nyendemi yenyaje usande hono madere bono okwankan na osenyi so nti ya nso yebo abado wano moyuta etu na abaso bada wonsaka ebusua delegate ni wonaran na wayiye Zoom Lion contracting no so what's over Mahama nti no so Ghana manpain nyemfeyin na woda aboto enyim ho no yefi daily guide na yanko the Ghanaian Times no odi abufra bia se orbobambo se oliza agro ono ne fe no da boto na wa chew mu de oye child labor in Ghana no sesiale there were 98,252 na watap oye child labor charge na wode won hwehwem no wode abotugwan nti child labor eso a na oreko nti mofama yo ye adwuma no no do ontewe na da beda na obatew ebusua the Ghanaian Times ano ma odi abotugwan na Daily Graphic de obaka atadu kokroko no odi special prosecutor no free na abada so wo ina orichem de wa conduct set wo search bi wo oye SML munafa nti echiri odi mu nsam odi baba damara now was a state enterprise in a Masai performance contract nti order no so na the man aya ya dwun pa entase the state enterprise pa wunimete procurement o yeduma na won for procurement do na won fa kere wo soro wo ebusia Daily Graphic mo de banyin na itin da mpe nyinya yenkwe the informer the obakata no so abegwado na the informer the obakata no ma no ode bay o kan ofurata no fanyini da benkum no do na NDC guru bi so no so no fanyin oda enyimfa na kanofurata no fanyin da na no wasi faces international muhad not a multibialan sisa ntepo no wo hwe papa na ntia akabana yin de hospital na wo de bed oda hot dem wa ko ho onyi ho tabe no munsama no akabi bi oda informer do bokata no ma oda ben NDC guru na one match or neglected by appointees nti no so wa oda no fayin oda aboton now you have no stake in MPP Karen Japan and I catch one you can Japan Muslims you nti honestly in your bokati mekana mo mean we can Japan now so cabin you have no stake in MPP can scones Muslims ayo dama ayo so tinamada na NDC Central Region no report chairman to oye GTech NDC Central NDC report chairman to over about academic title dama no professor na ye ayo wanu nyum ahwe yo professor Asiedu no mfanyin na oda so NDC regional chairman Central regional chairman on the system was report number academic report number GTech report number usande ne title no the professor no we be ofi bai nteja report number da ba jatum da wonji ntum no ebusia do bokatai the informer ma odi abobaje KGA na NL contract no so wada oya fine ne muda ho since 1958 eja ebe na ebuso da bara na so do inda ni na no okama osun wa abraban no mu nteja e ba fa na mana yesum we informer do bokata ma odoben na Daily Democrat do bokata na de infina da ba yefe na government no do transform oye horticulture industry no so odin final President Mahama no so no fein na horticulture industry ebusafo stakeholders meeting na waye no na wetwe fein fefefe na odi abobad no na otuko no na nso launch youth oye agro business training no so abonu fein na oda asewo no fertilizer na so no nsam no ogom na mom oye feda ofori pain on we deny oil galamsey allegation osande dodo na ono wodo tondo no nya no kwaso nti ihun oil feda ofori pena no nsama okan inya oil the Daily Democrat na ibun da okrodogom Hey, 24 news. 24 news the NPP needs committed grassroots leadership. Hey, you said you know Kenyan no na the inquisitor so aba. Hey, ebusia the daily statement no so aba. Hey, ne be no so ayabe, be no so ayabe na yo ebusia member no ayabe na the inquisitor mother ben and say came to meet to be multi-balance or what the catching. Now Dr. Buama no so this file release of our army generals no Dr. Buama no so no fayin and other button KGL no in NLA was a deal no best since 1958 no so the bucket in baby no or that ba na it was ya awo ebe na ebi yade mama say me fancy na yama kwalma o mabin abdala on betre from komotwetwe no so on fa motie do ebe from kitikeku asorba kofi esuma ne momun mandin kan mendase awo ehwe mama o mbo na hwe na mfa se da so mfa kofi na YouTube fo menda wona ase o konso kokora wa de boy echie be fia hada na Soviet professor Emmanuel Kwabena Bafo eje no so aseda sonko onkomo Michael na Francis Anepe ma gbedu papa aseda sonko so onkomo no kra Anepe mas mind there mumu acho
Eba oye gwe man to mo wo TV stations bebre ho want to say bia momoze no hwe Coastal TV na me ayadom Coastal TV so ye ko digital na chele bibia wo bia e wotuma hwe nsem bia beda TV a was baba nchichim bia ehia bia so was baba na nji sam bia so a mo waso ate na wo so etumi hu de obo yuma was amo se eba Coastal TV a na baby papa obia ongodo hwe Coastal TV.
Kosi can tell you Coastal TV is now on digital. Catch it on 514. Watch Coastal TV, the best news.